Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to do poha or flattened rice upma. One bowl that is around 230 grams has 354 calories. Now let us move on to the recipe. Take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add a quarter cup of onion, 1 green chilli, 1 medium sized chopped carrot and a quarter cup of green peas. Let us saute this for a few minutes. Add the required amount of salt. Now we are going to add a little water and we are going to cook this until the vegetables are cooked well. Close this and cook for a few minutes. If you close it, the vegetables will get cooked quickly. By the time, let us wet the flattened rice. Take a sieve like this and add 2 cups of flattened rice. Add enough water and wet it nicely. This is simply like cleaning. You should not soak the flattened rice. You have to clean it in order to get it wet. Now drain the water and keep the flattened rice aside. Moving on to the vegetables, it is perfect now. It got cooked well. Once the vegetables are done, we can add the flattened rice. Give everything a nice mix. Keep it in medium flame and cook this for another 3 to 4 minutes. Taste for the salt. If it required, adjust the salt now. Finally, add few chopped coriander leaves. So here the poha, aval or flattened rice upma is ready. Each bowl of flattened rice upma is around 230 grams and it contains 6.5 grams of proteins, 11.1 grams of fats, 57 grams of carbohydrates and 3.6 grams of fiber. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.